Hi, my name is Ben Peng, and this is the Nimbus Vase.
The Nimbus Vase is inspired by religious art, whereby holy or sacred figures are often represented with a disc or halo behind their head. This concept hit home during Australia's Black Summer, the catastrophic bushfire event of 2019 to 2020. Couldn't help but think that we should be viewing nature in a similar way, as something we need to respect and nurture. Made from bead blasted and anodized aluminium, the circular halo motif is formed with a subtle curve, allowing the Nimbus Vase to embrace the flowers within. This symbolizes the sacredness of nature and our environment. The circular form provides a backdrop that follows the flowers, allowing them to become the sculpture, whether on a wall, a shelf, or any surface you choose. The rear support has been designed with a mounting hole that doubles as an access point to the fastener that joins the three components. This gives the vase the flexibility to be wall-hung, as well as acting as a perfect handle to carry the vase between rooms. The simple geometry combined with the flexibility of placement means that the Nimbus Vase is a versatile accessory, thoughtfully designed to complement any home, office, or event space.